Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope you are all on the same page on this regard, that I am providing a very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it is a multitasking. Okay. So that said, without any delay, I will quickly read through the civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. Right? So for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica at fault found guilty prostitutes of Republica government of 2016 and 2020 USA are at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence prostitute domestic violent President Trump, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence prostitute domestic violent GOP leader Mitch McConnell, and at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence prostitute domestic violent Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh, and at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence prostitute domestic violence FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation leader of USA named as Christopher A. Wray. Created enforced poverty disability to I, Vedapriya Prose, on October 2018 to steal the rightful Supreme Court Justice job of USA job on October 2018. That rightful belonged to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice law must be provided now without any delay. So the domestic violence types provided by the Republican government of 2016 and 2020 by creating poverty disability to I, by enforcing finance debt to I, and for creating emotional torture because of this poverty, and also stealing that rightful Supreme Court job from me. It all comes under the classification of domestic violence, and that comes under the sub-classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury to the brain nerve cells, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. And I must get the civil justice immediately without any delay according to the Holy Bible civil law guidelines only. So either the prostitute President Trump must say whether he knows what is Holy Bible, or prostitute President Trump must say don't know what is Holy Bible. Either prostitute or GOP leader Mitch McConnell must say what is Holy Bible. Either prostitute GOP leader Mitch McConnell must say don't know what is Holy Bible. Either prostitute domestic violence Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh must say what is Holy Bible. Either prostitute domestic violence Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh must say don't know what is Holy Bible. Either prostitute domestic violence FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation leader of USA Christopher A. Wray must say knows what is Holy Bible, or prostitute domestic violence FBI leader Christopher A. Wray must say don't know what is Holy Bible. So, as of today, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own this text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. At fault found guilty, fatal negligence, domestic violence, Republica, USA government between 2016 and 2020, President Trump and FBI leader Christopher A. Wray and GOP leader Mitch McConnell and Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence. And with fatal negligence also failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created the Republica USA robocall poverty mandate. To I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, in October 2018, they enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and also enforced debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, to I, Vedapriya Prose, and also enforced finance disability to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly. It is a crime of Republica prostitute at fault found guilty, USA Republica government between 2016 to 2020 for prostitute President Trump and prostitute FBI leader Christopher A. Wray, and for prostitute GOP leader Mitch McConnell, and for prostitute Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh, created robocall mandate is proved. And when ruling USA, they never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt of $10,000 plus dollars in full and sign off tax-free $5,000. And USA Republica prostitutes Republica USA government between the 2016 to 2020, the prostitutes President Trump, prostitute FBI Christopher A. Wray, then prostitute GOP leader Mitch McConnell, and then prostitute Supreme Judge Kavanaugh of USA government created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, and then created deadliest robocall poverty mandate. So each must sign off tax-free 500,000 times 4 means 2,000 billion dollars to be direct deposited to my bank account. So that means each prostitute President Trump must sign off $500,000 billion. Then prostitute FBI leader Christopher A. should sign off $500,000 billion. Then prostitute GOP leader must sign off, Mitch McConnell must sign off $500,000 billion. Then Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh must sign off $500,000 billion, and total will be 2,000 comma followed by thousand, right? So 2,000 the $1 billion must be direct deposited to my bank account. Okay, for all the types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and at fault and found guilty, holy, very, very holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and very, very holy Highness God of USA, Pope Francis, and Republican government. They are also very holy, right? So holy, holy, holy Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And I hope we are all in the same page, my dear fellow mankind. And I sure must get the civil justice, and it's a multitasking. Meaning, the moment I get the civil justice, entire human kingdom will be saved. That is the wisdom here, right? And yes, I am in absolute need of the finance aid, and there are no humans yet in United States of America. That is the saddest reality. And the year is already 2021, and USA is already only in the caveman era. That it's a pathetic state where USA, broken USA nation is. It's under the deadliest slavery of dark ages of Rome. For how long USA loves to be slave to Pope and the crafts, right? So I have to step in, and I have to get the civil justice my way. President Trump cannot tell, oh no, see, the White House, he went out of the White House. No, he cannot run and hide. He just cannot run and hide. Who gave authority for President Trump to create poverty to me? I do not want the same tit for tat to be provided. No, that's not civil justice to me. I will say you live free, but just sign off $500,000 billion direct deposit to my bank account. Coolest, isn't it? Because I only know what type of emotional torture I've been through. Even today I am having that finance debt. So yes, absolutely Citibank CEO must pay my debt in full and must sign off $5,000. But this one, it will be written in the book of civil law. So that means whether President Trump will be able to pay that $500,000 billion for damages done to me or not, it is his choice. I never begged Republican government with fatal negligence. Please, Republican government, please, for fun, can you create damage to me? No, I never begged that. Even if I begged, the Republican government and the United States of American nation do not have any rights, birthrights. So just because I was educating wisdom, just because I'm the rightful Supreme Judge job to get that job, just for that, are they humans? Are they humans? You all tell me, are they humans? So when I say there's a little bit of innocence identified, yes, I'm still standing on the same ground. When President Trump, being a president of USA, never knows that he cannot enforce poverty for a fellow mankind, that is an innocence. That is a disabled brain operation, isn't it? That's a malfunctioned operation of the brain. If wherever college or schools he went to, they never educated President Trump to never create poverty for fellow mankind, that's not my job, isn't it? That's not my job, no. If his parents, if President Trump's parents never taught him, hey, President Trump, my dear son, do not create any poverty for fellow mankind. If they never thought that, that's not my job, you see. That's not my job. So, can you all understand what is at fault and also at innocent identified mode? I can bail them out. I can allow them to live free. But they have to pay this price, right? So then what will happen? President Joe Biden in his administration, he will never dare to create these kind of poverty. And after 4 years, if any Republican government comes, they will never dare to create poverty, isn't there? It's not a joke, right? Just like that, to create poverty. I can easily ask for civil justice to create poverty to them. They will die on the spot. Because these people are living always in a dollars mode, eating dollars mode. Once when that is stripped off from them, they'll die out of heart attack. I know about that as a true civil lawyer, as a true civil doctor. But then what went about why the education failed in humanity big time? Why? Why? Why nobody stood and educated President Trump to never enforce poverty to I? Why? When President Trump wanted that FBI leader to create that presidential alert, well, he could have clearly stood up and always for the rightful thing, right? That is what the meaning of it. Federal means what? The hierarchy of the government. Federal Bureau means what? It's an organization. Okay? Then investigation means what? It is a reviewing process. So that means, I already said, FBI don't know what is a FBI job and they are getting that job. So that is why they are creating this kind of a hell, right? So I already explained, I already educated you all, my dear fellow mankind, that I am the excellent supreme FBI leader, right? I should be the FBI leader after all. I should be the CIA leader. I should be the national intelligence leader. I should be the police of general. One cop is enough. Oh my gosh. I can have just one cane in my hand. That is all for the discipline. That's all for the discipline. And I do not even want to go to every nation. No. Just by sitting in one spot, I can rule entire nations worldwide. And I can discipline. That is a perfect discipline. Just by seeing me alone, people must get disciplined. Can you all see on a live demo how pathetic and destroyed the USA nation is? And Pope Francis destroyed it. It is Pope Francis educated the FBI leader to create that text robocall for me. Right? It is Queen Elizabeth educated the FBI leader of USA to create robocall text message for me. So who should be thrown in the volcano? Only Pope Francis, only those teams, right? They are the crap, they are the hell creators after all. See, these people are creating hell because of their thrown on luxury thrown by the Queen Elizabeth crap prostitute, and prostitute Pope Francis throwing luxury to them for whatever hell they are creating. That means the FBI leader, the Christopher A. Wray, must have got a separate salary for that. Just for creating a havoc for me in my lifetime and creating scars on my face. Are they humans? Are they humans? So when there is no humans in a nation, oh yeah, I have all the birthrights to ask a nation, why there are no humans when you are saying there are 300 millions of humans? I will ask. Nobody will ask me anything, right? They are saying, USA is saying they are having 300 millions of humans, they are having a higher standard of private colleges like Harvard, Berkeley, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, this, that, and whatnot. And also they also say Harvard Medical School is there, Harvard Law School is there, and we also provide stem cells like that, blah, blah, blah. And we also have, United States also have all private Christian colleges, only highest economic status people only can come into the school. What happened? I can ask all the private Christian schools and private Christian colleges to be sealed and shut down indefinitely forever for civil justice. There again, you all got it. I'm extra empath, right? The younger generation brains, I know how they work, how they operate. So, can you all see in all this entire scandal, Pope Francis is the hell creator and never innocent. And sadly, the reality is the foolish people are worshipping that hell creator alone as a God. There is no other crime, my dear fellow mankind. There is no other crime than worshipping a true criminal as a God. And all along in entire scandal, I'm proving it. Even in that proof, I'm still displaying why, how, when exactly President Joe Biden is at fault. Right? So, okay, so to provide it's see, when I have to educate, it's extending, but please bear with me, okay? See, the entire year between 2016 to 2020, okay, Republican government only took over, right? So then President Joe Biden was not anywhere, right? He was only living in the United States of America. He was having his own organizations and he was only running, right? And he's a lawyer. How easiest for him on his task, he could have educated the government not to have robocallers in them. Nobody would say no, because Democrat governments knows that President Joe Biden was a vice president just recently, that 4 years before, in the President Obama admin. So nobody is going to say no, President Joe Biden, no. We get only the $1 trillion revenue out of that, making that robocall poverty, by making poverty, civilians poverty, where the United States is getting lot of tax revenue out of it. It's a lot of business. Oh, you're spoiling the business. They will not say that, right? Even the Republican would have stood up for him, because once when discipline is provided in a healthy wisdom base, no matter what, everybody fears and they respect that. They honor the real wisdom after all, regardless of Republican or Democrat, whatever. Right? And even in the entire whole scam of that presidential alert message, that came and then only robocall came. It all came in a queue. So it was Brett Kavanaugh. Those 4 people, the 4 prostitutes, the male prostitutes, right? Just to steal the job, they joined hands and they did. And they wanted other Republica organizations, the retails and the software world, to provide their side of scam to me. Are they humans? Are they humans? Don't you all think this $2,000 billion is the very cheapest medical compensation that I can get for the damage they did to me? Today I am having that debt too. I'm not able to pay it. I don't have a job. In the job, when I'm displaying Pope Francis only created all the hell, I'm getting laid off. My age is going. I'm an age factor. I'm marching towards retirement. My life impacts. Why nobody have any common sense in the United States of America? It's a super foolish nation in the whole entire planet Earth. No. I will discipline USA at the cost of my death. I own USA, right? I own USA. USA can never get away with fooling people anymore. No. It's absolutely crime, deadliest crime. Deadliest crime. And on one side, I have to prove that why Queen Elizabeth II created the robocall, and the other side, I also have to prove why President Trump alone created the teams, the 4 people teams created the robocall. So this is how the program logic works. It checks out on every single checkpoint and will throw out this is the error, this is the error, this is the error. So if they signed that $500,000 billion each of them, never ever in their dream will dare to create poverty for fellow mankind. If at all they love to create poverty for their fellow mankind, they will do it for their own family members. Right. So I can, for a tit for tat, I can ask that FBI leader to be laid off. I can ask for, okay, freeze all the bank accounts. Then ask him to go beg for dollars, right? No, I do not want that. That's not civil justice for me. I'll say FBI leader, FBI leader, FBI leader, FBI leader. Oh, educated FBI leader. Oh, dear God of USA, FBI leader. Jumped from heaven, FBI leader. Oh, Republica, holy, 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 white skin, perfect FBI leader. Christopher A. Wray. Please sign off $500,000 billion direct deposit to my bank account. Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Republican government will provide the rightful help. That is civil justice for me, right? That is civil justice. Means what? Worldwide, in front of human kingdom only I must get that civil justice. This $2,000,000 billion must be written in the civil book forever, so that I created the history forever. Excuse me, right? So yes, people should know what is human. So can you all get it? I have to educate every single foundation level. What is human? What is humanity? Why people cannot enforce poverty for fellow mankind? Is this my job? Do you all keep your God-given hands on your hearts and tell me, is this my job? No, right? I should be living happily. I should be enjoying at the end of the day of the work, go to work, come back, have a good dinner, have nice time together, and that's how I have to live. This is not my job to keep and go, and every single basic thing I have to keep on educating. But I have to. Why? When people don't know what it is and creating hell after hell, I have to say stop first, right? So then, there again, people don't know what is stop. So I have to explain what is stop. Okay, if they don't know what is, I have to say no. Then people don't know what is no also. Then I have to step in as an education teacher. I have to educate what is no, a big no, like that. See, can you see, this is not how it should be. I should not be even, asking for this medical finance compensation. Got it? I should be living my way, they should be living their own way. Why they want to interrupt in my personal affairs, and why they want to create scars on my face? That is the problem. That is the crime. So that needs to be disciplined. So President Trump cannot, see, I created poverty for Vedapriya. See how proud, Republican, holy, perfect I am. He cannot tell that, right? I will get the civil justice, right? Because that's the way it is. Why even they have to create this havoc at the first place for me? So yes, it became 26 minutes. I wanted to make it short, but then you all should know how the FBI leader was mandated to provide the scandal as well. And he must have got the salary for that. Hey, you all created the damages and scares to me. At least those four people should have said to the government, President Trump and the Republican government only created poverty for Vedapriya. Please government, please pay off all the debt for her and pay damages. At least they could have said that after creating damages to me and scars to me. Right? So they never even bothered about providing that also. So, see, so that says it all, isn't it? That says it all. Then what were on the earth that 9 teams of that supreme judges were doing? Their only job is just sit and provide hell after hell, and they get salary for that, highest salary for that, lifetime job. So meaning everybody want to have that power grab, and just for the fanatic love of the job and the title and the power grab, to abuse the power only, they are in that. And yes, it's okay. Nobody will ask. Nobody will dare to ask United States of America, dear America, dear America, why on February 2021, when all the nations are in total crisis of COVID-19 play, why on the earth USA government want to give $2,000 billion direct deposit to Vedapriya? Nobody will ask. Nobody will dare to ask. I will say, okay, take my, can you all share my pain? Can you all create human brain and give me? Can you all create new emotions, new thing, everything to me? Everybody will back off. Right? Everybody will back off. And in all this entire scam, you all seeing the deadliest criminals are Dr. Fauci and Dr. Briggs. Right? God will take care of them. Because I'm helpless, right? I said what? I cannot help them. I can bail them out. So, whenever people are going to create hell for fellow mankind, they will be disciplined by God in the God's labor alone. Right? So this one is different from President Trump signing of $5,000 part of it. Got it? So that is different. That is why in jurisdiction process, every single thing is separate. So $5,000 means what? They took $4,500 from me. So with all the damages all included, I want to make it even $5,000. But this $500,000 billion means what? It comes in as a program logic. Whoever created that robocall must pay that. So when it's checking everything, it just came to the loop of FBI. So FBI leader created it. When FBI leader created it, I'm proving, oh, no, hold on. This just only FBI leader alone did not create this. That there are 3 people and it became 4 people. So you provide this. So that means next CIA, right? Next police of general. Next Pentagon. See, when nation do not have discipline, it's a poorest nation after all. It's a garbage, right? So when nation don't know that they are in garbage, I have to step in, I have to clean, I have to educate, I have to display the error one side, I have to provide the solutions one side. You all know if I'm given that FBI job, I would have done an excellent job. Right? I would have educated President Trump. No. You cannot create poverty. This is what I would have educated President Trump. I would have educated Brett Kavanaugh. Whenever talent alone must be considered to get a job, You do not have the job, but Vedapriya, I mean, you do not have the eligibility, the qualification, but Vedapriya has the qualifications. She proved how she can be the rightful supreme judge for all nations, not only for one nation, for all nations. She proved with the Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 volunteer project. Why even you have to bother? Do not steal other people, what rightful belongs to other people. It is one of the commandments, isn't it? Do not covet. So it'll be super fun whether Brett Kavanaugh has to say whether he knows Holy Bible, or Brett Kavanaugh has to say he never knows Holy Bible. He can think, he can very well think these people are super foolish, right? After creating havoc for the fellow mankind, they think that God is not there, they can live free. No, God is always there. God is always there. At the cost of death, I got the civil justice myself. Right in front of 7.9 plus billions of humans, Brett Kavanaugh cannot even run anywhere. He's been surrounded, wherever he's going to run, he's going to be rounded by 7.9 plus billions of humans. He cannot run and hide. He just cannot, right? Oh yes, so this is what it is all about. So you all got it. So civil justice, oh, super costly. That's what you all might think. Wait, man, fellow mankind, there is more crime, more money, more dollars. Sounds of the dollar. Like that, right? But people should know, people must never create damages of any form for fellow mankind. Always must be human. Even when you're in a Rome Empire, you should always be human. You should never copy to be Romans, the prostitutes. No. Yes, United States of America is a Roman Empire. But I will always be human, you see. I love to be human only. If my fellow men do not love to be human, that's not my job. Right? And I will ask, okay, pay for the damages, means list after list of billing after billing after billing after billing. I am the richest one in whole entire planet now. Beyond owning all nations, I have to reveal all what truth, a truth of who am I. That is one task is left. It's a pending. I just provided for a friendly task, means because during when you are working as that as a homework task, I can myself provide all this civil justice, quickly get done. Right? It's all multitasking. Okay, now I'll give you one more task. What education you all need to know how to be humane always? What education? Note, nobody can teach anybody how to love or hate fellow mankind. It's the universal law. You have to deal with it. You have to handle it. Nobody can teach. I cannot teach my fellow mankind to love or hate. No. I cannot even force. No. I cannot influence. I can educate and guide. That's all I can do. With a cane in my hand. So, what went wrong in humanity? The basic humanity. If only 1 second, if that microsecond that President Trump, oh my gosh, if I am enforced with poverty, what will I do? Oh no, I should not create poverty for fellow Vedapriya. That one act of kindness, right? Kindful heart would have prevented that disaster at the first place. So I will say pay for all the damages done to me. And I must get the damages, pay medical finance aid when people are mocking me the way I am, right? I will say, mock, I don't care. You want to accuse me? Oh, well, accuse me. I don't care. Oh, how about cursed, wish me dead? Oh, that's fine too. You can do that. It's your choice. I'll pass by because I'm done with all kind of crap that's been bombarded on me non-stop. It's a lot for a civilian to handle it. I'm handling it only with the help of God-given strength. That is all. I'm not uh, you know, I'm just an average human. So I have to keep on telling, see, you say government, I am human. Why can't you see me as human? Is that my job? No, that's not my job. No. And yes, it became 37 minutes. It's because of, you all need to know. I could have said it in one sentence, right? FBI leader of USA created robocall. But then there needs to be some proof that's related to that, right? One person can never create damage to the other mankind. That is a universal thumb rule, a law. There must be a gang, there must be a network worldwide to create this kind of a type of a scam. Are they humans at the first place? You all work on, and you all figure out the correct answer. These 4 people with fatal negligence being prostitutes created damages to me. So you all work on the assignment on why are they humans, or if yes, why? If no, why? You work on and find the correct answer. Work only in silence. Do not ask any of your peers for the correct answer. Right? I am the woman. All these 4 people are men. So what I am proving here? Multitasking. Men never caregivers, right? Men never guards. Men are the prostitutes, right? Men are filth. So why? You work on that task as well. Why men are prostitutes? Why men are filth? You work on those tasks. What is the rightful education I provided? One more time. Oh, you cannot talk. Okay, I will repeat it. God created each man from dust. So each man is what? Innocent by default. Okay. How about the woman? Each woman is created from the dust and one reborn, so double innocent. That is a generic foundation of identifying the innocence part of it. How do you think these 4 people became prostitutes? You work on those tasks. I know the answer. I know the correct answer. How these 4 people became prostitutes, that is how they were able to provide that robocall product, right? So that means, okay, I will say it on a very high level, but you figure out more answers. It is the Pope Francis who mandated them to be the prostitutes. So who do you all think must get out of the earth now? You work on those answers as well, okay? I know everything. I decoded everything, so I do not need to know the answer. That is why with absolute confidence I am providing the rightful education. This $500,000 billion is cheapest medical compensation. Let USA go crazy and go mad. Right? How many $500,000 billion they will pay me? I will say pay forever. Let Queen Elizabeth die of heart attack. That crap who is the root cause for all this hell scandal worldwide. Is she a woman? She a woman. You all got it, right? How on the blood cells level they are so super dangerous. They should never be living in the earth. And this USA is allowing them to live free is another $1 trillion scam, crime. And USA have to pay me another $1 trillion for that. Okay, so that is it. So yes, you all got it. And this session is that FBI provided the robocall poverty mandate to I, and I proved it. Fireproof, right? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.